A bizarre kidnapping case turned even more so today. The trial of Kristen Smith entered its third day, with Smith taking the stand in her own defense. News 3 reporter Dave DeLosier has been covering the trial from the very beginning. Joins us now from outside federal court. Dave, Smith told jurors that she had permission from the child's father to take the baby. Is that right?
Yeah, she did. And she also told the jury that Caden Powell's parents had plans to move to Colorado and live with her, and that move was going to be taking place in a matter of days. She also told them that it wasn't her idea to take the child. Kristen Smith testified she took the infant, Caden Powell, from his home in Beloit at the request of the child's father, Bruce Powell. She says that when she got up to leave and return home to Colorado at 1:30 a.m., a groggy Bruce Powell handed the child to her. She testified that he said, "Take the baby with you." She said she replied, "Are you sure?" And he replied, "Yeah." Smith also told the jury that when she was called by the police on her cell phone, she panicked. She admitted to taking Caden and putting him in a storage tote with a heating blanket and placing it in front of the gas station in West Branch, Iowa. The child was found in that tote behind the station a day later. Now, this afternoon, under cross-examination, the prosecution tried to poke holes in Kristen Smith's story and pointed out inconsistencies in her story. And then, in a very odd turn of events this afternoon, Kristen Smith claimed that she couldn't remember previous conversations with investigators, and that she couldn't even remember previous criminal convictions on her record.
Dave, we've been following you online today, and just for anyone out there, your Twitter handle is DW DeLosier, but you were tweeting that Smith got very emotional today.
She did. She got extremely emotional early this afternoon. While there was a sidebar conversation going on between the attorneys and the judge, Smith became emotional. She had her head just sank into her chest. She pulled her sweater over her face, and she began to sob quietly. After a short time, though, she began to cry very loudly. The judge immediately cleared the jury from the room and called a recess. When they tried to escort Smith out of the room, she had difficulty walking and was visibly shaking. She returned about a half hour later and was able to resume testimony. And Michelle, tomorrow the case will resume with the closing arguments beginning at 9 a.m. and by midday, this is very likely going to be in the hands of the jury.
All right, something, of course, we will continue to follow. Good work today online as well. Dave, thank you.